It shows his magnanimity, and in fact, we wished him. We congratulated him on his wonderful victory, and we wished him success in giving a good governance to the people of Tamil Nadu. And he inquired about Mr. Vaiko's health, and we also said, in his endeavor to give good governance, we would also be with him, and we would extend the necessary support to our Chief Minister, Mr. Vijay.
Extending his support means, can you just explain it?
Extend his support in the sense, see, as it is, the former Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, he had said DMK would not be of any hindrance to Mr. Vijay or to the new government. And as well, the communists and the other parties, Congress especially, they have in fact extended support. But in our case, we need to give him an opportunity. I mean, he comes without any experience, but then his objectives, whatever, are well intended. He has promised, social justice, the social justice schemes, whatever, that would continue. And in fact, he has promised a corruption-free government. These are things, in fact, we also wish for. And in such an angle, I would say, we are with him in offering, such good governance, in probably a corruption-free government, and in following the ideals of Periyar and Anna. Social justice. Exactly. In fact, I had mentioned earlier during the elections and before the elections, when people asked me about Mr. Vijay, I had said, the younger generation doesn't know much about Periyar and Anna. And through Vijay, probably the ideology of Periyar is being spread. We probably welcome it. This was my message even before these elections. And as such, it is again the social justice, the ideology. It continues. Whatever Periyar, whatever Anna said, all those good things about, Mother Sarvanmai, Samuga Nidhi, all those are going to continue. Exactly. Secularism. Periyar Anna, it's all about social justice, it's all about secularism, and it's all about equality. And our Chief Minister, Mr. Vijay, is also, even during the elections and after, in fact, taking a oath as the Chief Minister, he has said all this would continue. In these things, we would say we would extend our support.